Hey guys, imagine this. What if the key to unstoppable chemistry wasn't in a pill? What if it was hiding in your kitchen all along? For centuries, cultures from ancient Greece to the Amazon have used nature's pantry to ignite passion, fuel stamina, and keep the fire burning all night long. No prescriptions, no side effects, just science-backed recipes. Today, we're cracking open the vault to reveal 6 homemade recipes that chefs, athletes, and very happy couples swear by. These aren't just snacks. They're your secret weapon. Watermelon that works like a prescription, oysters that outperform pills, a dessert that's better than Viagra. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your grocery list the same way again. Ready to upgrade your game? Let's dive in. Recipe number 1, the Passion Potion Smoothie. Let's kick things off with a smoothie that's as delicious as it is powerful. You'll need 1 cup of fresh strawberries, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of dark cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, a handful of almonds, and a drizzle of honey. Blend until creamy. Why does this work? Strawberries are packed with nitric oxide-boosting antioxidants, bananas improve stamina with potassium, and dark cocoa relaxes blood vessels. Sip this 30 minutes before date night, and thank us later. Take note, guys. Strawberries plus cocoa equals nitric oxide boost. Recipe number 2, Honey Ginger Energy Bites. These no-bake bites are your secret weapon. Grab 1 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of crushed walnuts, 2 tablespoons of freshly grated ginger, 1/4 cup of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. Mix, roll into balls, and refrigerate. Ginger fires up circulation, honey enhances blood flow, and walnuts are rich in arginine, a key amino acid for performance. Pop 1 or 2 an hour before you need that extra spark. Ginger, nature's circulation supercharger. Recipe number 3, garlic and salmon stir-fry. Dinner just got exciting. Sauté 3 minced garlic cloves in olive oil, add 1 salmon fillet, a handful of spinach, and a splash of lemon juice. Garlic contains allicin to improve blood flow. Salmon delivers omega-3s for heart health, and spinach is loaded with iron to fight fatigue. Pro tip, add a parsley garnish to freshen your breath. Garlic plus omega-3s equals artery love. Recipe number 4, watermelon mint elixir. This refreshing drink is a game changer. Blend 2 cups of cubed watermelon, 5 fresh mint leaves, juice of 1 lime, and ice. Watermelon is rich in L-citrulline, a compound that relaxes blood vessels exactly like prescription meds. Mint adds a cooling kick, while lime balances sweetness. Drink it chilled 45 minutes before romance. It's like nature's fuel. L-citrulline, the science-backed secret. Recipe number 5, dark chocolate avocado mousse. Indulge guilt-free with this dessert. Blend 2 ripe avocados, a 1/4 cup of dark cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of honey, and a pinch of sea salt. Avocados provide healthy fats for stamina. Dark cocoa boosts mood with flavonoids, and a sprinkle of chili powder adds heat. Serve in a fancy glass, and watch the magic unfold. Flavonoids choose better mood, better performance. Recipe number 6, oyster shots with a kick. Channel your inner Casanova with this classic. Shuck 6 fresh oysters, top each with a dash of hot sauce and lemon juice. Oysters are loaded with zinc, critical for testosterone production, while capsaicin in hot sauce revs circulation. Shoot them back or share with your partner. Warning, things might get wild. Zinc, the testosterone turbocharger. There you have it. 6 natural, tasty recipes to ignite your passion without a single pill. Want the exact measurements, step-by-step guides, and a free shopping list? Click View More right now. These recipes aren't just food, they're your new secret weapon. Don't wait. Your best performance starts tonight. Click View More for all recipes, plus bonus